discuss about the question answers. So let's start with the first one, that the AB. Answer the following question. So first question is, what is the function of heart? What the heart is doing? The function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body through blood vessels. Is it? So all of you know that one is one kind of muscle which one is pumping throughout the day. What it is pumping? The blood. So first answer over. Next, the second question. Name the organs that take part in digestion. So do you know the name of the organs? The organs that form the digestive system are mouth, stomach, intestines, liver and gallbladder. Is it clear? So these all are the different part of the digestive system. Next, the third one. What are the functions of muscular system? The following are the functions of our muscular system. So first one, providing body movements by controlling the skeletal muscles. And next, maintaining the body posture with the help of skeletal muscles. Next, the helping of respiration using the thorax muscles. So that means muscles we are using in different way. Is it? Next one, the fourth one. What are the functions of brain and spinal cord? Do you know the function of the brain and spinal cord? The function of brain is it helps us to feel emotions and to carry our thought processes. And the function of spinal cord to carry information and to coordinate and control reflexes. Yes, so these all the things are accomplished by what? By our brain and our spinal cord. What about the fifth one? How many bones are there in our body? I have told you that total 206 are there, is it? So there are 206 or 206 bones in our body. Next, the sixth one. What are the functions of skeletal system? Do you know the function of the skeletal system? The function of the skeletal system are to provide support, protection, movement, storage and blood cell formation. These all the works are being accomplished by our which system? Our skeletal system. Next, the seventh question, last one. What is integumentary system and write its function? Do you know? I think all of you know, you are very intelligent. So you can remember that body parts like skin, hair, nail, gland and nerves make the integumentary system. And the organs, that means while discussing only, I have told you these organs are the part of the integumentary system and the integumentary system, and the thing is there, the functions of the integumentary system are to protect the body's internal living tissues and organs, protect against the invasion by infectious organism, protect the body from dehydration, etc. So many works also is being accomplished by these organ systems, is it? So this one over, this first bit over. So now we will discuss the BB. Fill up the following blanks using clue kit. So first one, the dash system is responsible for the movement of the human body. What should be the answer? Answer should be the muscles. Is it? The muscles would be the answer. Muscular. Is it? So here you have to write muscular. M-U-S-C-U-L-A-R. Is it? The muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. Next, the second one. There are over dash muscles in the human body. Do you know that one is the total 6, 650. Is it? That one is the total 650 muscles in the human body. Next, the third one, food passes through a long tube inside the body known as the what? That one, its name is alimentary canal. Is it? So you have to write here alimentary, A-L-I-M-E-N-T-A-R, alimentary canal, C-A-N-A-L. Is it? So alimentary canal. Next one, fourth one, dash carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. What should be the answer? Answer should be veins. V-E-I-N-S. Next, the fifth one, human dash are born with 300 to 350 bones. Human infants or baby. So here infants are there. You have to write infants. I-N-F-A-N-T-S. Is it? Infants. Next, the last one, that dash are bean-shaped organs located on either side of the backbone. What should be the answer? Kidneys. Is it? So the answer should be kidneys. K-I-D-N-E-Y-S. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs located on either side of the backbone. Now we are going to discuss the C-bit. So write yes or no for the following statements. So here different statements are given. If that one is correct, you have to write yes. If that one is not correct, you have to write no. So first one, an adult human body has over 500 bones. Is it correct? What is your opinion? That one is not correct. Is it? So you have to write here no. Inside the bracket you have to write no. Next one, the skull has 27 bones. Is it correct? Yes, that one is correct. So you have to write yes. Inside the bracket you have to write yes. Next, the third one, arteries carry blood rich in oxygen away from the heart. Is it correct? Yes, that one is also correct. So you have to write here yes. Next one, the fourth one, food passing through the internal cavity. Is it correct? Food passing through the internal cavity. No, that one is not correct. So you have to write here no. And next one, fifth one, our bones are a storehouse for fat. Yes, that one I have told you, that one is correct. So you have to write inside the bracket yes. Next one, body movement due to the contraction of bone muscles. Yes, body movement is happening due to the contraction of the bone muscles. Yes, that one is correct. So you have to write here yes. Next one, the seventh one, the function of the digestive system is digestion and absorption. Yes, that one is also correct. So two types of one is being controlled by the digestive system. One is the digestion, another one is the absorption. Is it? So that means these all are correct. Is it? So all of you get this one, how to do. Now we will say the D bit of this lesson. So that one is write any two functions for the following body systems. So is it? So you are able to see that one box is there in this portion, the body's system names are there, and that one already I wrote, you have to fill also that functions. So what is the functions of the muscular system? Its function is to maintain stability and posture. And what about the digestive system's function? Digestion and absorption. Is it? Next, what about the respiratory system? Its function is transportation of air, sound production or breathing. Next, the fourth one, circulatory system. What is its function? Circulation of oxygen and carbon dioxide provides cells with nutrients. Is it? So this is the function of the two major function of the circulatory system. Next we will see about the nervous system. Sensory input and motor output. And another one important function, that one is information processing. Is it? Next, the sixth one, skeletal system. What is its function? Support to bone. And another one is protecting internal organs. Next, what about the seventh one? Excretory system. Its function is to remove waste and maintain internal chemical balance of the body. Next, the eighth one, that means the integumentary system. What is its function? You can see that protects body's internal living tissues and protects against invasion by infectious organism. Is it? What about the ninth one, that the endocrine system? What is its function? See here, make hormones of growth and development. That one, and controls the release of hormones. These two. Is it clear? So these all the work or the functions done by the different systems. Is it? Now we are going to discuss the EBIT. Write the name of the right part against body system. So here in this box, here the body systems are given. So all of you know the muscular system, that one is a body system. Which one is the right part of the muscular system? The skeleton. Is it? So if you will, that one is very important to it because that one is attached with the skeleton. So that one should be the part. Next, the digestive system. So if you will come to the digestive system, there you can see that which one is the right part? That one is the stomach. Is it the main part? And the thing is there, the respiratory system, that one is related with which? The lungs organ. Is it? Next, the circulatory system, that one is related with the heart. Is it? Next, the nervous system, that one is controlling by brain. So you have to write here brain. Next, the skeleton, that is skeletal system, bones and joints. Is it? And what about the excretory system? Excretory system is consisting of the kidneys. And what about the integumentary system? That one is skin, nails, hair, glands and nerves. And what about the endocrine system? That one is the bloodstream, because all the things, hormones are being carried from one place to another place with the help of the blood. Is it clear? Now we will discuss the EBIT. Draw a line to each word to the correct part of the body. So all of you are able to see here that one picture is there. That one is a picture of the body, human body, and the different parts, body parts name are also given there. So you have to simply add the line. So which one is the hair, which one is the nose? All of you are able to see here that this one is the hair, the nose, the ear, the eye. Which one is the neck, the chest, wrist, hand, knee, foot. These all things you have to make these lines. Next, what about that portion? The head, next the eyebrow, next the mouth, next chin, the shoulder, next the elbow, next the arm, next the tummy, next head, and the last one is the ankle. So these all about the different body parts of a human body, is it? So all of you know this one from your lower classes also you have learned, so easily you can do it, isn't it? Now we will discuss the GBIT, find the hidden body parts. So here this table you are able to see one box and different alphabets are there. You have to find out the different word. That one is body part should be there, is it? So first I am able to see that leg, is it? So here L-E-G-S, legs, one I got, is it? Next one, see here, if you will see body, B-O-D-Y, body is also there. Next one, if you will see that ear, E-A-R, ear is also given here. Did you get? Next one, if you will see that mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Okay, that one also I got mouth. Next, if you will see that the hair, H-A-I-R, hair. That one is also being present here, is it? And if you will see head, H-E-A-D, see here, head is also present, is it? And one thing is there, hand, H-A-N-D, hand is also present, is it? So all the things you did here, is it? And one more thing, nose, I think that one is missing, N-O-S-E, that one also being completed. So you have done this bit also, that means G bit also you have completed. Is it clear? Now it's the time to do project. So here all of you are able to see that color the picture with the help of given instruction. See here one bird is there, that means parts of body is given here, and one just a head up to here it is there. So hair part is there, eyes are there, nose are there, mouth, ear and face. These all are given there. So you have to color it, color the hair with brown. So hair should be brown. Color the eyes green. The eyes should be colored with the green. And color the nose with pink. The nose will be pink. And color the mouth with red. That one should be their mouth. That means this one. Is it not face? The mouth. This one. Next, that means in this way it will look very nice, just like the clown face, is it? Next one, try to lift your school bag with your hands and observe the movement of muscles of arms. Write your observation. So actually, if you will try, see here, if you will try, we can, whenever we are moving anything, we are lifting anything, on that time muscles are moving, is it? So we can restrict it, its movement, we can feel it. So definitely your school bag is heavy, and if you want to try lift it on that time, you have to apply the force on that time. You can observe the movement of the muscles also, and you have to write the observation, that what you are seeing there, is it? So after learning this lesson, I know that you should definitely take time for exercise, all the things, because that one is keeping our body healthy and fit, and make sleeping as a priority. So don't do like this, that sleeping, you are not sleeping in whenever you are, that means sleeping means some kind of rest. You should give the rest to your body, and whatever you will eat, that one should be healthy enough. Always you should avoid the junk food and listen to pain. That means, and slow down all time. Whatever you will do, take patience and do slowly. Is it clear? So in this lesson, whatever you have learned, go through the lesson again and prepare well for our online lesson. Thank you.